Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button with my friend Jesse. Oh, we missed a picture.
I know, I was gonna go to it.
Jesse,
You know what? I actually tricked the people. You know what? I was saying, who want free Robux, and then people was like, and I was putting out my money, and then people was taking it. Like mostly everyone in the game was going to the money. But except the one person, because he was a tagger. And we were hiding. Everyone was hiding except the 5 people, I think.
I'm collecting coins.
I'm collecting my Robux.
You don't even have Robux though.
I'm just trying to trick people because it worked before. Use your coil. Close.
Wait, did you go in the maze? Did you?
Yeah. I'm right here. What? I was tricking you. I was right here. I just fell off the game. I mean, world. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna shoot you.
Ha!
Oh, you're gonna die.
Yes. No. No. Yes. Where are these people? No! I died. I killed mostly everyone.
I once killed everyone like so much time. I used to be a pro at that, but now I'm noob.
I'm in blue team.
Same.
Okay.
You like blue color now.
No. I think it will say blue. Red team did the most.
Blue team did the most actually. Yes, it was blue.
Oh, soccer. I'm not gonna do soccer. I'm not gonna do the soccer thing. Actually, if you want free robe.
Someone is actually taking Robux.
Actually, I want to play. Oh man, my teammates. Baldy. Why'd you put LX? What does LX even mean? Huh?
If you want to say Roblox, just put Robix. Just wait, Jaden.
Yeah. Dodges. Dodges. Oh, I just got squashed by the Doge and then Dodgy. Just eat the Doge. No. Dodge. No. Dodgy. I got the eggs, Jesse. I got the
I'm gonna do a rap when it's a short.
what?
Yeah. I'm gonna sing a rap, but it will be short.
Yeah. What?
Gas. I'm gonna sit on the grass. Gas and grass are rhymes. So. Gas. I'm gonna sit on the grass.
Okay, 7 minutes.
Yeah! I'm wide!
Same.
Why do you have a giant head? And me, I'm wide.
I think we have to end the video now, Jesse. Bye. I think we have to end the video now because it's almost. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll make a video. Maybe. So bye, and like and subscribe.